Hey, I'm Olga Bonitas and I've been keeping an art journal for over 10 years now. When I started, I was a biotech engineer with no art experience and a mom to a little girl dreaming of having a second baby. Today I'm a full-time artist, but my path here hasn't been a straight line. Over the years, I moved between 7 homes in 3 countries. I worked, raised kids, juggled family responsibilities, and managed the stress of immigration. Through it all, my art journal became my place where I could express myself, reflect, and preserve precious memories. And you know what? There is no one secret to staying consistent with your artistic practice. Different approaches work in different situations and for different people. But what I know for sure is that to stay consistent, you need to enjoy it. Focus on joy, satisfaction, and fulfillment. The joy of creating something just for yourself. In this class, I'm sharing my 10-year sketchbook journey, complete with ups, downs, and lessons I've learned along the way. We'll explore how to start your own art journal, even if you are completely new to art, how to find joy in the creative process, even when life feels overwhelming, and most importantly, how to stay consistent, motivate yourself, and make art a lasting part of your life. This class is all about finding your way to create and enjoy a sketchbook. So let's get started.